Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Teams for a meeting, a full 2025 guide that makes scheduling and managing your meetings easier than ever. Whether it's a quick team catch-up or a large conference call, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your meetings in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Open Microsoft Teams. First, launch the Microsoft Teams application on your computer or open it in your browser. Make sure you're signed in with your work or school account because that's how you'll access your calendar and contacts. Navigate to Calendar. Once you're in Teams, look at the left-hand panel and click on Calendar. This is your central hub for all meetings, past, upcoming, or ones you're planning. Select Meeting Date. Next, browse your calendar and click on the date you want your meeting to take place. This opens up the scheduling options. Step 4, add meeting title. Here, type a clear and concise title for your meeting. Something like Weekly Team Sync or Project A Update Meeting works perfectly. A good title ensures everyone knows the purpose right away. Add attendees. Now it's time to invite participants. Start typing their names or email addresses. Internal colleagues from your organization will appear automatically. For external guests, just type their email and Teams will send them an invitation. Save the meeting. Once all details are in place, hit Save. This confirms the meeting and automatically sends invitations to everyone you added. Copy meeting link. If you want to share the meeting link outside of Teams, click Copy Link. You can then send this link via email, chat, or any other platform so attendees can join easily, even if they weren't invited initially. And that's it. You've just learned how to schedule and manage meetings in Microsoft Teams like a pro. Simple, fast, and effective. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.